Hello students, welcome to Europe Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So right now there is a very good opportunity for all of you, those who are looking for some government job, who want to work with some public sector. Okay, so here you can see Goa Shipyard Limited. Okay, so they are going to conduct one examination for the recruitment, direct recruitment for regular employment. Okay, so here you can see the details of this. I am going to share with you people. First of all, let us see the age limit. Okay, what is the age limit criteria? So age limit criteria is 33 years for SC ST, 31 years for OBC, 28 years for unreserved EWS. Okay, and now what are the different posts and what is the essential educational qualification required? Okay, so management trainee mechanical, right? So in this BTech in mechanical engineering or some other branches also eligible. I will show you with 65% marks or equivalent CGPA. Okay, management trainee electrical posts are there, and then management trainee electronics posts are there. Okay, so for all of them same age criteria is there. Okay, and then we can also see management trainee naval architecture, management trainee human resources, management trainee finance. Okay, so in all these specializations we are going to recruit. Now you can see the number of vacancies and also category wise number of vacancies. Okay, so in management trainee mechanical total there are 12 vacancies, out of which 4 are for unreserved, 3 OBC, 3 SC, 1 ST, 1 EWS. Okay, so similarly we can see in this table different category wise vacancies available. Okay, now additional note for educational qualification. So for management trainee mechanical, what other BTech branches are eligible? So mechanical and industrial engineering, mechanical and production engineering, marine engineering, these all are eligible for mechanical discipline. Then for naval architecture we can see naval architecture and shipbuilding. Okay, all these branches are eligible. In electrical branch, electrical and electronics branch, electrical and instrumentation branch, these three BTech branches are eligible for electrical management trainee post. Okay, and then for electronics department we can see electronics engineering, electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation and control. All these BTech branches are eligible for this job. Especially for instrumentation students, this is very good opportunity for all of you. Okay, so now one more important point, candidates studying in the final year may also apply. Okay, provided they get at least 60% marks or more in aggregate of all the semesters till date. Okay, so final year यहाँ पे eligible है, जो उनका concern रहता है mainly final के students का. Okay, now you can read in detail also this PDF later. Now criteria for selection, how they are going to select. So they are going to conduct a test that may be CBT or PBT. Okay, computer based or paper based, right? In this paper, what is the pattern? So there will be 60 marks questions from general your knowledge of your branch, okay, discipline knowledge, and 25 marks will be from general management aptitude test, in which mental ability, reasoning, English, data analysis, numerical ability, all these things. So total 85 marks paper will be there. Duration will be 60 minutes. That will be in both language, Hindi and English. Okay, objective type question will be there. Now interesting thing and important thing here to note down is that candidates who have scored 50% or above in written exam in unreserved category or EWS category, and 45% or above for SC, ST, OBC or PWD. Okay, they all are eligible. They will be shortlisted for document verification followed by interview. Okay, so यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कट ऑफ होगा उनका कि आपस में कंपटीशन होगा. नो, अगर आप 50% से ऊपर स्कोर करते हैं then you will be called for document verification and then interview. Okay, so अगर थोड़ा सा भी preparation आप करेंगे then you can qualify this 50% criteria and you can get interview call. Okay, so now interview will be of 15 marks, 15 marks का interview होगा. ठीक है, qualifying marks for interview will be 50% or above for unreserved and 45% for SC ST. Okay, and selection will be made for the candidates qualifying in interview considering the overall aggregate marks in written test and interview. Okay, दोनों के combined merit बनेगी बाद में, right? नाउ CTC यू कैन सी, जो आपका ट्रेनिंग के टाइम पे 11.36 का पैकेज है, एंड अब जब आप चले जाएंगे पैरोल, मेन पैरोल पे कंपनी के, सो 15 लाख का लगभग पैकेज रहेगा आपका. सो दैट इज वेरी गुड इनिशियल पैकेज. ओके, अब इसमें सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट फॉर मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग रहेगा कुछ, ठीक है, तो ये आप एक बार रीड करेंगे डिटेल में. नाउ 3 साल के बाद ये आपका सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट रिफंड हो जाएगा. ओके, ये यहां पे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपको नोट कर लेना है. नाउ अदर थिंग्स आई होप यू ऑल कैन रीड लेटर आल्सो, एंड ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर. सो फी इसकी 500 है जनरल के लिए, और बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए SC/ST में ये फ्री है. ओके, और ये ईमेल दिया हुआ है उन्होंने, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अगर आता है इस ईमेल पे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, ऑनलाइन अप्लाई करने के लिए इस वेबसाइट पे जाना है goashipyard.in पे, और नोटिस बोर्ड में कैरियर्स में क्लिक करके GSL कैरियर्स में जाके आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट रिक्वायर्ड है व्हाइल अप्लाइंग, ये सब यहाँ पे मेंशन्ड है. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस. एंड लास्ट डेट क्या है? 2 फरवरी. ये देखो इंपॉर्टेंट है, 3 जनवरी से स्टार्ट होंगे, ठीक है, और लास्ट डेट 2 Feb इसका अप्लाई करने का है. ओके, सो बिफोर दिस यू पीपल प्लीज अप्लाई नाउ. अब आपको प्रिपरेशन करना है इस एग्जाम के लिए. सो योरपीडिया इज नॉट ऑफरिंग एनी डायरेक्ट मॉड्यूल फॉर दिस एग्जाम, बट if you want to prepare for this exam with Yourpedia, you can do one thing. There is a ISRO module already going on, okay, in which all the recorded content is available. So you can join that ISRO module and the syllabus will be same. So through that you can prepare for this particular exam also. The content available for ISRO module will be helpful in the preparation of this exam. So you can join that module and you can prepare. Okay, all the subjects are available in the recorded form. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Please apply if you are eligible. All the best.